Finally get it working.
Look at that's what you're doing, you.
Yes.
He's holding it.
That's right.
He's holding it.
That's right, it's okay.
Dad, do it again. Do it
Where again?
again. He come.
Do you know how to this up?
No.
Just when it comes to things, it's putting my hand.
Three.
Oh, seriously? God damn it.
Mine went higher. Mine's finished.
I don't leave it anyone else.
What's it say on it?
It
It says from Flynn.
Oh, it's gonna be the ones that go. Yes, leave me alone.
No.
Okay.
Not that bad.
Yeah.
It could have been worse. I'm a good ghost.
I wasn't scared, I just got shot.
Speak too soon.
Wasn't that right? Yeah.
The smoke like that was like that. Okay, still recording, that's good. Those are this to upload 2 videos now at once, pretty much.
Rest in peace.
That'd be annoying. Uh-oh.
Yes, make them ready,
That's
okay?
gonna go bad, I think. No, I
You
think
see
last
the
time my
one-
dad
you see the
used
one that
them,
from here?
it went really bad. The glass actually set on fire slightly.
You can't take the books down.
It's not good. It's stand on wood then, is it?
No,